I do believe that if there are still questions to be asked, problems to be solved, properties to be explored, you never stop. That's what good thing about mathematics. It will never let you stop. As long as you have the eagerness to prove something, to solve something, to explore something. So I'm Gwen Tadeo. I'm from St. Louis University, and I'm a graduate of Ateneo underdegree PhD in mathematics last December of 2019. To introduce our work, I would start by considering a well-known sequence in mathematics, the Fibonacci sequence, which was discovered in the year 1202 through a problem involving rabbit reproduction. So starting with a pair A of mature rabbits, so a single pair A of mature rabbits, every month thereafter, that pair A of mature rabbits will give birth to a pair B of baby rabbits that matures in a month. And the sequence of A and B's, you could actually do that repeatedly until we form an infinite sequence of A and B's. And this infinite sequence would now have a particular pattern, which is the so-called quasi-periodic or aperiodic pattern, which means it doesn't repeat or it's not periodic. And this type of sequences, the aperiodic sequences, share the same property of having patterns that do not occur at regular intervals with a type of matter recently discovered in 1984, the so-called quasicrystals. So quasicrystals have atomic arrangement that are somewhere in between the amorphous solids and the crystals. The first appearance of this type of substitution was only in 1989, so it's very recent also, in which they have introduced the randomized version of the Fibonacci substitution. The Fibonacci substitution is the one we have used in which we replace A by AB and replace B by A. So in 1989, they considered the randomized version of that substitution to actually model a one-dimensional classification. So our work is on that particular type of substitution, the random substitution. This field, this area is just very recent, so it's still in its infancy. Actually, there are a lot of possible properties that can be studied on this particular area and are left unexplored.